Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Beep Squad. This is Baba this side, and today I am simply going to state that you are a clown. You are stupid. And let's get straight to today's video. Okay, first things first. Allowing people to come back to your life, letting them stay there and use you, keep on expecting them to behave the way they used to, and simply telling them that, oh, I want you back, can you come back to me? That is what makes you a clown. That is what makes you stupid. That is what makes you very prominent to people that, yeah, we can use this person. Because at the end, what you are expecting this person to do is not an actual reality this person is going to do towards you. This person keeps on coming back and you keep on allowing this guy or this woman to keep on using you. This person keeps on coming back and this person continues using you till the time they want, and then they simply throw you out like, okay, now I do not need this person can go away. What are you doing? What is your role play in the middle? You are letting this person constantly use you, your energy, your intellectuality, and at the end this person leaves you. Honey, what are you doing? Why are you letting this person use you? Why are you letting them get the availability to come back in your life again and again whenever they want, however they want? Why is this person using you the way they want, whenever they want, and you are not saying anything? Now, if you go around saying that I really love this person, I am really attached to this person, I really want this person to stay, have you not tried enough? Have you not tried enough to make this person stay into your life? Have you not tried enough to make this person understand that you are in love with them? Or have you just not tried enough to make them stay by anyhow reason? What are you doing with yourself? Have you tried to move on? Have you tried to look out for opportunities? Have you even tried to change your mindset to this thing that if one person won't, then another will? What are you doing? Because if you go around saying, oh yeah, I tried, what are you trying? What did you try? This person is still in your life after they have left just because you cannot keep the availability stronger, and you cannot keep this person away from you and away from your life. You just want this person to be with you. What are you doing? What are you trying? You are implying that I have tried. What have you tried? What are you trying? What have you done? You haven't tried anything. You haven't tried anything. And if you have, if you think that you have tried enough, then try again. You are not trying hard enough. That's it. This person has the availability to come back into your life and hurt you again and again. Meanwhile, you're crying in your room, sitting and thinking with yourself, oh my god, I love this person so much. How I remember they used to act with me. Oh, I really want this person to act the way they used to. Are you serious? Have you even seen around the world? Have you seen around in your environment? Do you even know how much people are you in between? Do you know how much people are there to replace this one person? Do you know how much opportunities are there in the world for you? Do you know how much level of impurity this person has, that this person is creating a mess into your life and you still allow them to be with you? What are you doing with yourself? Ask yourself and give yourself an answer. Next. Now, if you go around thinking, okay, this person needs some help, and this person needs some help, and then this person needs some help, and you go around helping people the way they expect you to do so, honey, you are wasting your energy. You are utilizing your energy on people that are not even worth it. You are utilizing your power that you are gifted with on the people that do not even care about your existence. They just want somebody to heal them. They just want somebody to use their power on them so they can grow. And you are going around using your power on them. What are you doing? This energy, imagine this, there is a jar of energy and you keep on giving out stuff to other people. Okay, I give this amount to this person, I gave away this amount to this person. At the end, the jar is gonna be empty. There is going to be nothing left for you to utilize, nothing left for you to take from. What are you gonna do then? Do you have even a single person in your mind that, yeah, if I go to this person for help, that, okay, I want to heal, I want to move on, I want to have a glow up, or any XYZ reason, do you think this person is going to help you? this person is going to give away their energy to help you out? Why are you helping others when you can't even help yourself? Why are you going around thinking, I have to help this person, I have to help this person? It is not your responsibility. Helping others is not a responsibility. Helping this person or helping that person is not something that you have to do. All you have to do is work for yourself. All you have to do is help yourself. All you have to do is utilize your energy on yourself, not on other people. The reason why people use you is because you have that availability, you have that accessibility. People are very free to come up to you, and then you go around helping people, saving them, and then you go around fixing yourself again and again after a person hurts you. You are a clown if you go around helping people and not expecting anything in return. You are a clown if you go around giving your energy to other people and then expect that this person is going to be good with me. Because, honey, when people get what they want, they leave. If a person is coming to you, they have some requirements in their mind that only you can fulfill. They see something in you that you do not see in yourself. They come up to you thinking that this person is going to help me out with this, and then I'm gonna leave and switch on to another person, then more and more, etc. Vice versa. And you go around thinking that if I help this person is gonna stay with me. Why are you so desperate for human availability? Why are you so desperate for accessibility? Why are you so desperate for accountability? Do you really need human validation? Do you really need other people's validation and opinions to prove who you are? Do you really need somebody else to define what you are, who you are, why you are, whatever, XYZ? Do you really think that this person can help you out over something that you cannot help yourself out in better terms? You are someone that needs human accountability and validation. You are someone that goes around helping people and then goes around saying, oh yeah, this is my friend. Not everybody is a friend. Not everybody is a friend. You have to start making partitions. You have to start making boundaries. Create boundaries with people. Create walls. Do not let other people cross your walls. If a person crosses your boundaries, then speak up for yourself, honey. Nobody is going to speak up for you. You have to speak up for yourself. Nobody is going to save you. You have to save yourself. If you do not speak about your boundaries to the other person, saying that I am not okay with this, do not talk to me like that, do not use this behavior with me, do not use this language with me, this person is going to use you. This person is going to drain you out, and then eventually this person is going to leave you. And at the end, you are not in the term to blame this person. You are not in the position to say, oh, you were at fault. Because at the end, it's you. You are the one who allowed this person to get up to you. You are the person who allowed this guy to get into your head. If you cannot protect yourself, then nobody else can. Speaking about validation and protection, if you really think that you need this person to protect you, or you need this person's validation to tell you that this thing is right or not, then you are literally the dumbest person alive on this planet. If you really think that this person is going to say that, yeah, you look amazing, you look like a masterpiece, oh my god, I love you, and then you go around thinking that, oh my god, this person praised me, this person complimented me, you are living on the terms of what this person thinks of themselves. A person looks up to you if they are using you on the terms how they see themselves. Because if they are using you, that is simply how they have been used before. If you go around thinking that this person is going to compliment me, and then this person actually compliments you, then you're going to feel happy, and you're totally going to be dependent on this person to tell you what to do and what to not in the future. And if you really think that you really need somebody else to provide you the protection and the boundaries that you really need for yourself, then you are completely wrong. You have the power to create the boundaries for yourself. You have the power to create those walls for yourself. Meanwhile, you're dependent on this person, thinking about, oh my god, how can I satisfy this person? Why? Why do you think you have to satisfy the needs of this person? Why do you think you have to satisfy anybody's need to make them stay? You do not need anybody in your life that makes you think like you have to agree with them to make them stay in your life. If a person cannot respect your choices for yourself in the life you are living, then this person can go. This person can get the hell out of the door from your life, and this person can never come back. You have to create boundaries for a person. You have to create boundaries for other people. If this person left, then they are never coming back. If this person is going to leave me, then this person is never going to come back. And that's what you have to do, because nobody else is going to do it for you. And so that is it for today, guys. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.